This video will demonstrate how to install the Leviton DDM06 Decora digital dimmer and DDMX1 Decora digital dimmer with Bluetooth technology. Please be certain to follow all wiring instructions and diagrams provided with the product. If you're unsure about any part of the instructions, or if you're not comfortable or familiar with working with electrical wiring, contact an electrician. When installing and terminating this Leviton device, have the following tools on hand: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, electrician's pliers, a wire stripper, electrical tape, a handheld voltage tester, and properly sized wire connectors. This installation takes approximately 15 minutes. The process shown follows general guidelines. Local codes take precedence. Be sure to turn the power off at the circuit breaker and use a voltage tester to ensure that the power is completely off. Now, we need to identify the hot wire. To do this, turn the circuit breaker back on. Carefully use the voltage tester to test each wire. The hot wire will be indicated by the tester. Once identified, turn off the circuit breaker to shut power and test to ensure that the power is off. Use a small piece of electrical tape to label the hot wire. Identify whether the wiring application is single pole or a three-way application. If the wiring in the wall box does not resemble either of these configurations, consult an electrician. We will proceed with a single pole application. Visit youtube.com/Leviton to view a three-way installation video, including how to wire the coordinating remote. Note that in this example, there is a black hot line wire, a black load wire, two white neutral wires, and a bare copper wire, which is the ground. Keep in mind, the color of the wires can vary. The hot wire may be black or red. The ground wire could be green or bare copper. If you're unsure, contact an electrician. Next, make sure that the ends of the wires from the wall box are straight and stripped approximately 5/8 of an inch. If not, you may need to cut them. The ends of the wires on the device have been prepared so that a small piece of insulation can be easily removed and expose the correct amount of conductor needed for terminating. With your fingers, pull firmly on this insulation to remove the pre-stripped section. Next, twist the exposed stranded copper wiring in a clockwise direction in order to prepare it to be terminated. To wire, take the green ground lead on the device and the ground wall box wire and twist in a clockwise direction. Insert them into a properly sized wire connector and twist the connector until the conductors bottom out inside and can't be twisted further. Next, wire together the black lead on the device and the black hot wall box wire. Next, wire together the red lead on the device and the black load wall box wire. Finally, wire together the white lead on the device and the white neutral wall box wire. The wires are now terminated. Give the wires a tug to ensure they are firmly held in the wire connector. The yellow-red dimmer lead should have a red insulation label affixed. If the insulating label is not affixed, use electrical tape or a wire connector to cover. Dress the terminated wires with electrical tape to ensure stability before the device is installed in the wall box. The device is now terminated. gently bend the wires and push them into the wall box. Screw in the mounting screws in the wall box mounting holes. Install the wall plate. We are now going to test the device. Restore power at the circuit breaker or fuse. The status light on the dimmer will illuminate green. Press the top of the dimmer to turn the controlled light on. Press the dim, bright bar up and down to raise and lower the light level. Depending on the type of bulb you're using, you may need to make some adjustments to the settings. If lights do not turn on, refer to the troubleshooting section of the instructions. Your Leviton Decora digital dimmer is ready for use. To utilize Bluetooth programming and control features, be sure to download the app to your mobile device. For more information about Leviton Decora digital dimmers, visit leviton.com/Decora Digital.